Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl, Marketing Director at IN2 Communications, and I'd like to quickly share some insight on the marketing funnel and how as a marketer, I've seen it change over the last 20 years. Now this might look familiar. This is a tool that's used by businesses all over the world, and it's used as a way of thinking about their marketing objectives and the tactics that they're going to apply to them. It's actually more of a psychological model. It's built around behavior, and it still applies in the digital marketing world, of course. Now, at the top, we have the awareness piece, and this is essentially going to cover all of your branding efforts. People need to know that you exist as a business, and once you get people to that stage of awareness, you need as many of them to move down into the next stage, and that, of course, is consideration. This is where they see the value in your product or service, and they consider it, and they say, yeah, I could see why I might actually want to make use of this product or service in my business. Then, of course, you want that group to move down to the next stage, which is called preference. This is when you decide on the company that you will do business with or the product that you intend to buy. It's typically measured by marketers as purchase of intent. But we also know as marketers that there's a huge difference between purchase intent and actual purchase. And that's the next step, which is action. Action is to buy. Maybe it's also to subscribe to a service. Maybe it's to cast a vote. Maybe it's to download something. But it's that key action that you're trying to drive with your campaign. Now, something new to the funnel and something that is especially applicable when it comes to digital marketing is the advocacy and then the loyalty piece. Now, this is where your customer is not only loyal to your business or your product, but is an advocate for selling it for you. They are your brand ambassador. This is actually most commonly seen in things like Google reviews, Yelp, that kind of thing. This is your ideal place of landing. This is where you want to go and you want to stay there as long as you can. The conversion, yeah, that's certainly important. But today, in the digital marketing world, advocacy and loyalty, that is the goal.